Walter strongly encourages others to make informed financial decisions based on their unique goals and financial situation. A great way to do this is by speaking with a lender to explore the options available in the marketplace.
That can scare people, the payment. But like I say, it's just so many options now that the banks have. The flexibility is just there.
Many banks offer a variety of loan programs designed to promote homeownership, including low or minimum down payment options, down payment assistance, and other affordable housing solutions. Walter's advice is to connect with a bank that can help tailor a solution to your specific needs and goals.
They're just scared to find about what the options are up there. Usually just a phone call will fix the issues you might have or the questions you might have.
One of the things that Walter mentioned was the professionalism and the communication from the team. Can you walk us through what you and New Home Co. prioritizes in terms of customer support?
One, I'm really excited that he said that. That's fantastic. That's something that we work through together as a team. And I'll tell you, when you buy a home, people have the opportunity to buy one that's going to be ready for them to move in 30 days. The process and the transaction and the communication obviously is very different, right? If we're with somebody for just 30 days or if we're with somebody for 60 days, there's a lot more to communicate, 6 months. So we have a process in place where every week, it's typically done on a Wednesday, my superintendent and I, is a gentleman named Carlos Diaz, we sit down together in my office and we go through our construction schedule. So what that looks like to us is a list of people who are currently under contract to close on their home. And we call them together. We call them on speakerphone. And it's really nice to have us both in the room, right? So Carlos will go over, hey, here's where your home is at today. Here's what we're going to do this week. Here's what we're going to work on next week. We'll give you a call back on Monday to let you know, right? If everything was successful there, if we're ahead of schedule or if we're behind schedule. The communication and having that information as a buyer really eliminates a lot of stress that they don't necessarily know they're going to feel before they go under contract, right? So I think just the consistency of hearing from us every week, letting them know exactly where we are, that we're watching it, but also calling to let them know that, hey, I noticed that we broke a window this week, right? It's all of that together. And again, I think it's being a good teammate. It's taking care of the person on the other end of the line.
Why was it so important for you to get this purchase right? I know you were very selective about what you wanted.
After seeing all those homes, I started thinking, what would be the perfect home to fit my schedule? A brand new home, small backyard, and especially all the things that this home has. I can go to my regular jobs, no problem. I can enjoy Colorado, come home late.
Do you think we'd be here today if you hadn't been a homeowner for the past 20 years? Do you think that last purchase helped you with this property?
Yes, because of the equity that I had through all those years. The equity made it possible. I'm sure I would be able to, with my 2 jobs and my credit score, I should be able to find something. But the decision that I made in my early years, it definitely did help me.
So the fact that you made smart decisions 10 years ago, 20 years ago, that's benefiting you now in the present?
Yes, definitely.